total differential, that is, if z is a function of xy and xy is a function of t, that is z is a function of xy and xy is a function of t, we are finding that is dz dt. देखो, listen, z here is t, therefore dz dt equal to, that means you want to find that is dz dt, that is this to this. When you go this to this, that means you have to go z to x, then x to t, okay, then z to y, then y to t. By this way you have to remember, okay, by this way you have to remember, okay. So now you see z to x, so that is del x, sorry, del z del x, del z del x. Now x to t into dx dt. Now the question is, sir, you are writing z to x del z del x, del z del x, del z del x, and here you are writing x to t, you are writing dx dt. This is a question. Why you are not writing del x del t? Because here z is a function of xy. That is, when you have to find partial differentiation, that means if that is z is a function of xy, then del z del x, it means that y is constant. Suppose z is a function of x, then you cannot find del z del x, because here is only one independent variable. For partial derivative, there must be more than one independent variables. So if there is only one independent variable, then don't say dz del z del x. You have to write dz dx. Is that clear to everyone? Once again I am saying that, I am repeating, when z is a function of x, then we have to write dz dx. When z is a function of xy, say, then we have to find del z del x when y is constant, or you can say del z del y when x is constant. Then partial differentiation. When z is a function of single independent variable, then dz dx. Don't say del z del x, okay, because here is only one independent variable. If there is only one independent variable, then we have to say del dz dx. Don't say del z del x here. If there is 2 or 3 independent variables, suppose z is a function of x, y, z, then we can say del z del x we can find when y and z constant, del z del y we can find, then x and z are constant, del z okay, understand or not? Tell me. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, but so I am writing here. You see, follow me. So follow me. So I am writing here. I am finding dz dt. Why not del z del t? Because z to t there is only one independent variable. So z to x, now x to t. Now see, z to x there is 2 independent variable keeping y constant. So it is del z del x. Now into x to t there is only one independent variable. So dx dt plus same thing. The z to y, that is z to y when x constant, that is del y by del z by del y into y to t. This is dy by dt. Okay, understand now why dy by dt? Because y to t only one independent variable, so dy dt, not del y del t. Okay, understand? So here dz dt is known as total differential coefficient of z. Total differential coefficient of z. Total differential coefficient of z. Okay, I am taking 1 or 2 sums in this chapter, then you will understand clearly. like if x equal z equal to, I'm just taking one or two sums. Okay,
Sir, total differential then?
total differential coefficient of z. Total differential coefficient actually. Total differential coefficient of z. If I am taking one sum, just follow me. If z equal to e to the power x y square, e to the power y square, and x equal to t cos t, and y equal to t sin t, t sin t. You see, now we can say from here, you see, we can say from here z equal to e to the power xy. So solution, tell me, solution this, find, they are asking, the question is find dz dt at t equal to pi by 2, at t equal to pi by 2. Now you see, what is z? Z is a function of xy, because here is xy, so z is a function of xy. Now you see, x equal to t cos t, y equal to t sin t, that means xy is a function of t. So we can find dz dt, sorry, dz dt. What will be the formula? Dz dt, because z to t you have to find, z to t you have to find. Try to understand, z to t. So dz dt, not del z del t, because z to t there is only one independent variable. Now tell me, z to x first go, then go x to t. So z to x, that means del x, del z del x into x to t, tell me, x to t, dx dt plus z to y, then y to t, tell me, z to y, del z del y into y to t, dy dt. Understand dy dt? Understand everybody?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Now I am putting the value del z del x, del z del x, del z del x, del z del x. Tell me, with respect to x, what is del z del x? Dekho, z equal to e to the power x y square. Del z del x. What do you mean by this? With respect to x, keeping y constant, because two independent variable here. So keeping y constant, that means e to the power x y square into del x of x y square. So it will come, that is this differentiation with respect to x y constant. So it will be y square. So y square e to the power x y square. So it will be y square e to the power x y square. Is that,
The board is not visible clearly.
is it clear now?
No, sir. Because it's busy.
Is it clear? Hello?
No, sir. No, sir.
Is it clear?
Screen share করে করতে
Screen
পারি।
share.
Screen share করলে
Okay. I am doing that. Okay. So this is del z del x. What is,
দাঁড়াও তো এখনো
now you can see, দেখতে পাচ্ছো, z del x, understand how it is y square e to the power x y square, because we are doing here with respect to x, that is this, when y constant, e to the power function of x y square, that is e to the power this into del x of this, that is it will be y square, because with respect to x y square, y is constant. Now dx dt, what is dx dt? Tell me, dx dt, tell me, u into v dx with respect to t, that is 1 into cos t plus cos, that is minus t sin t, t sin t plus del y, del z del y with respect to y e to the power x y square into del x of this, del y of this into 2xy, right? 2xy into dy dt, tell me, dy dt, it will be t, that is 1 into cos t plus 1 into sin t 1 into sin t plus t cos t, u into v. Okay. Okay, now if you simplify this, then you will get that is dz that is you will get that is dz dt is equal to dz dt you will get dz dt at x equal to at t equal to pi by 2. T equal to pi by 2 I am putting, and t equal to pi by 2 I am putting. T equal to pi by 2. Okay. T equal to pi by 2. Then what is the value of x? Tell me. When t equal to pi by 2, what is the value of x? X equal to, tell me, t is pi by 2. What is pi by 2 into cos pi by 2? Cos pi by 2?
0.
0. So x equal to 0 now. Be careful. And y equal to t sin t. That is pi by 2 into sin pi by 2. Tell me, sin pi by 2? 1.
1.
So this will be pi by 2.
Pi by 2. Pi by 2.
This will be pi by 2. Okay. So now I'm just putting the x equal to 0 and y equal to pi by 2 and t equal to pi by 2. Then the value becomes, that is pi by 2 is the answer. After putting, I am not simplifying. Dekho, if we put x equal to 0, then this portion whole thing will be 0, because here is x. If we put x equal to 0, y equal to pi by 2, then you will get that is answer is pi by 2. Understand this sum, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Now next sum I am doing next sum. Okay. I am doing next sum, then I will send it to you. Okay. So this is another sum of total differentiation. This is another sum. Example number 2. Example 2. Find du dt when find du dt এটাকে ইয়ে করে আরেকবার কর, আরেকবার শেয়ার কর, এটা স্টপ শেয়ারিং করে আরেকবার কর। Now you can see.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here you see u is a function of, u is a solution. U is a function of x and y, and x and y is a function of t. So that is u to xy, xy to t. So du dt you have to find. du dt. Tell me the formula. du dt. Why du dt? Because u to t. So u to x, then x to t, then u to y, then y to t. So tell me the formula. What is the tricks? X to, yes, tell me. Del u by del x.
dx by
Yes, dx by dt. Very good. Plus, tell me. Del u by del y into dy by dt. What I am doing here, putting del u del x. Tell me, del u del x with respect to x when y constant. Del u del x, tell me, that is y square plus 2xy. With respect to x, it will be y square. With respect to x, when y constant, that is 2x into y square. 2x with respect to x, 2x y square. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Del u del x. U equal to what? X square. Sorry, it is x square y, not xy. This will be this. Into dx dt. Tell me dx dt. What is dx dt? Tell me. dx dt. Tell me. From here, dx dt, tell me.
280.
Very good, 280 plus del y, del y, tell me with respect to y, 2xy plus x square. 2xy plus x square, right? Into dy, del y, del t, sorry, dy dt, tell me. dy dt, here, 2a, into 2a. Very good. Very good. Now you have to simplify. Then you get that is twice aq tq into 5t plus 8. I am not simplifying this part. And again on thing you have to see, in place of y we can write twice at, where y equal to twice at I am writing, and x equal to at square. So this is the answer. Okay. du dt 5t plus 8. Okay. So okay, this is all over actually total differentiation. Here I have given so many sums of total differentiation, and last one sum, another thing. This is a new type of total differentiation, that is implicit function. This sum is very, very important for the exam. This one is just last one. This is if fxyz equal to 0 gives z del z del x is equal to del z del x equal to minus fx by fz, fx by fz, del z del y is equal to minus fy by fz. When okay, when you have to find that is when you have to find that is del z del f del z del x del f. This is the formula actually. Del z del x del z del x equal to fx by fz. When it is x, then it comes fx by fz, and del z del y, that is fy by fz. Now a sum, that is example, that is if fxyz is equal to 0, prove that. Very important sum. This sum came so many times in the university exam. Okay, so many times. Prove that del x del y it is z. That means del x del y, z is constant here, into del y del z into x into del z del y del z del x into y is equal to minus 1. This is very important. Do you see? So what do you mean by this? That is del x del y when z is constant, del y del z when x is constant, del z del x when y is constant. So if I take the left hand side, this is the left hand side. Try to understand. Left hand side is this. So according to this formula, this can be written as del f. Tell me. This can be written as, tell me, minus of this. Tell me, fy by fx. Am I right? Hello? Fy by fx when z is constant, into, tell me, this one, this is z, fz by fy, this is minus. When x is constant, that means x will not come here. Here z is constant, that means z will not come here. Into, tell me, this one, tell me, into del z del x, here y is constant, y will not come here. Tell me, minus fx by fz. Now you see, if we take the multiplication, that is applying formula, This and this cancel, this and this cancel, this and this cancel. Minus, 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 this will be minus. It's very simple sum, very simple sum. Understand everybody?